Hey everyone, it's Mike from M&M Professional Window Cleaners. It's just dusk here in Durham Region and Enniskillen. Wanted to give you some advice on how to stop your water from freezing. If you're cleaning your own windows and you have dog crap or not dog crap, but kids or dog stuff or eggs or different things on your window and you need to get it off and you can't wait for a warm enough day, here's what you do. You can put rubbing alcohol in your with soap and water, rubbing alcohol or methyl hydrate. Now, methyl hydrate is the base ingredient for windshield washer fluid. You can get it in the paint section at a hardware store like Home Depot or Lowe's or Canadian Tire. So you take that, rubbing alcohol or methyl hydrate, and you add it to water, add some dish soap, and get a squeegee from Home Depot. And first you soap the window with the methyl hydrate and water. And if your water freezes, add more methyl hydrate until it stops freezing. So you add that solution, you scrub the window, and going from right to left, you take the squeegee and get the soapy water off the window.